With OCConnect, inviting users is easier than ever. Company owners can create new users and edit existing users' roles, permissions, and more simply by selecting User Management under Settings in the main navigation. Once there, click on the Invite New User button. You'll need to fill out the required fields marked with an asterisk before proceeding. If you need help, uncommon fields have a question mark adjacent to them, which provides more detail when you click on them. Click Add User, and an email is sent to the user instructing them on how to complete the registration process. To re-invite a user, select Settings, User Management, then select the red arrow to the right of their name and click Re-invite User. If you'd like to assign an existing user to a different location, select the red arrow to the right of their name and click View Details. Then click Edit User. Here you can change the user's role, location, and other settings. Once you've made the changes, click Update User.